In their latest math activities, grade 1 students explored shapes using the math kits. They explored basic 2D shapes such as circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. During their math lessons, they were introduced to these shapes through fun and interactive activities. The goal of the lesson is to help students identify different kinds of shapes by 1. Learning the names of shapes like circle, triangle, square, and many more. 2. Recognizing the characteristics of each shape like number of sides and corners. By learning to identify kinds of shapes, students can 1. Recognize shapes easily in the world around them. 2. Build a strong foundation for more advanced math and geometry skills. 3. Improve their observation and thinking skills and connect what they learn in class to real-life situations.